Hello everyone. In this video we're going to show you how you can use all the elements to create your website in Brizy. So Brizy is offering you with the these elements: text, button, icon, image, audio, video, spacer, line, maps, and many more. And I'm going to show you how you can use them and you can build a really interactive website that you're craving for. So here you can start building your page. If you go in the plus sign, here you can bring from the blocks that is already there, layouts. You can take the layouts from here, but today I'm going to show you how to use the elements instead. So you just cross there, you go again there. Now you'll press in your create your own. Here, once you press there, now you can see there is a plus sign. In this plus sign, you can actually bring those elements. So I'm going to bring, let's say, a text element. And now you can see there is some pre-text already. You just take that away and delete that. And now you just write whatever you want to write. Let's say you want to sell electronics. So you can write here that in this shop you get all the electronics you wish to buy. So this one is something you're telling your customers, and you can style it up with different colors and also fonts. So this is the text, T for text, and here you can choose the fonts and it will be changing. Here is the text color. So now it is white, but you see the background is white. So if I go in the white, you don't see it, though the text is there, but you cannot see because the background and the text color matches. So we are going to take it on the darker side, and now you can see it is coming into light. So this is the color, and you can also have you can also see that you can align the text from left to middle to right. So for now we just keep it in the middle, and now you can also style it with bold. So once you're pressing B, it is bold now, and if you want you can go it with italic sign. And now I'd like it to be a little bit larger in size. So here you can see size, weight, line height, letter spacing. So everything I'm going to cover now is size is something 16. If you just press on top arrow, it will be adding the sizes to larger direction and going in 111. And if you just press on the bottom arrow, it is going in the receding direction, you can see. So this text has now normal weight. Now if we go in extra bold weight, then you can see it is now a little bit thicker. So you can actually give weight to the text as well. And then you can give the height, line height. So if you just reduce down, you can see the placeholder is getting shrinked, and if you just take it to the 1, it takes all the spaces away, and the sentence has shrinked into the space. You cannot just go less than 1. 1 is the lowest you can reach to, and here you can go up to whatever the number you'd like to. So if you give 5, so here's you get 5 line spacing. And letter spacing, always whenever you get some numbers, just play around with the numbers and you get the idea what they are standing for. So here the letter spacing, you just give, let's say, 3. See what happens. So the letters are now spaced over from left to right. So from 3 we just go to 7 now to see what happens. And you see every letter is now spaced in between them. So it's really amazing. you can play around. So Brizy is a powerful tool. You can build and you can write whatever the way you wish to. So the text has another option. You can see that is typography. So typography is actually giving you multiple options, and if we apply them one by one, you can see, you'll be able to see the difference, and it is also a powerful tool. So from the custom, you can see there is a paragraph. So if you go in the paragraph, now the sentence style become like a paragraph. So from here, if you start writing, it will give you a paragraph. And the next one is subtitle. Subtitle is you have a main title. Now, for some reasons, you have a text to be subtitle. You just don't have to really think about how I can make a font or make the spacing. Everything is done there already, subtitle. And then you have heading 1. So heading 1 is already decided to be in size 56, 1.3 line height, and it is basically extra light. So these are the things is already done for you. So if you apply heading 1 for one section, you can remember it that all my headings is on heading 1. So later on, if you would like in any part of your any section you want a heading, you just apply this heading 1, or you can apply heading 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever headline you wish to. So let's apply heading 4 now. You can see heading 4 is a little bit shrinked and in a different settings, and heading 4 is set up to size 26, line height is 1.4. So you just tweak around and you will find that it's really powerful, and it gives you a lot of options to play around with the text. So in the typography, there is another setting. You can see on the right side there is a setting icon. You can press there, and on the left side you can see there is styling. So what I already told you, that when you're going here, if you choose heading 6, it is already in 16 size, and bold weight, line height is 1.5, and it has a certain way of telling you how this heading 6 looks like. But if you go here, you can also change this. This heading 6 is now pre-set up with overpass. But if we go in the second one is styling magazine, you see this is being changed. Now if we go here in the typography, and if we look at this heading 6 again, it's different than the previous one. If we go back again here, and if we change graceful, here it's still in heading 6, but the size, shape, weight, everything is changed. So they actually give you an options, some of the preset options. So let's say we again go in the chubby, and here we choose heading 1, and you see it's different than the heading 1 we showed you in the beginning. So heading 1 is always the bigger one, but if we change this preset to, again, from chubby to overpass, you see it's different. So there are plenty of options you can play around, and you can actually get really good way to navigate on your writings. And if you just for somehow be able to reach or end up in a styling of your own, or just start using the pre-styles. Let's say you want to use pre-style in shape all the time, then whenever you're using a new section and there you would like to use new titles or subtitles, you always go in shape presets. But also you can save your own presets as well. So in the next video, I'm going to show you your own presets. Thank you very much for watching.